If you believed everything you see online, you'd think hunters are dropping animals every second trip. But the reality is, most hunts end like this. Nothing. And what that does, especially if you're new, is something most people don't realise until it's too late. Social media doesn't show hunting, it shows outcomes. It shows the one moment that worked. Cutting out the 20, 30, sometimes 50 times that it didn't. What you're not seeing is everything in between. And that part that's missing, that's where all the learning happens. The long walks, the empty bush, the blown stalks, the wind switching at the worst possible time. None of that makes the final cut. But if that's all you're watching, it starts to feel like success is normal and struggling isn't. The truth is, most hunts don't end with an animal on the ground. Most hunts are slow, quiet, and unsuccessful, at least on the surface. You might go days without seeing a deer, or weeks without a real opportunity. And this is the part that nobody prepares you for, because it doesn't look good on camera. But this is hunting. It's time in the bush. It's patience. It's things not going to plan over and over again. And if you don't expect that going in, it can start to feel like you're the problem. Now, to be fair, this isn't always intentional. It's just how content works. No one's going to click on a video that says, day 5, still nothing. But that doesn't mean that those days aren't happening, because they are, constantly. So naturally, people post their best moments, their wins, their highlights. When you stack those back to back, it creates a version of hunting that doesn't actually exist. And when you're comparing your full experience, you're always going to feel behind. This is where it actually starts to matter. Because if you're new, you don't have a reference point yet. You don't know what's normal. So when things aren't working, your brain starts filling in the gaps. Am I in the wrong spot? Am I moving too much? Am I just bad at this? And most of the time, none of that is true. You're just experiencing the part that nobody shows. And over time, that can cause people to lose confidence or stop going out completely. If you want to enjoy hunting long term, you need to reframe what success looks like. Because if success is pulling the trigger, you're going to lose a lot more times than you're going to win. And that's a fast way to burn out on something that's actually supposed to be rewarding. Real success is smaller than that. It's getting closer than you did last time. It's reading the wind right. It's finding fresh sign. It's not getting busted. Those are the things that actually start building towards success. And once you start noticing them, hunting changes completely. So the next time you're watching hunting videos, just remember, you're seeing a highlight, not the whole story. And if your hunts aren't going perfectly, you're probably a lot closer than you think. Because real hunting isn't constant success, it's showing up, even when nothing happens.